Hey y'all, Bear here. Look here, we are at the Caesar Head State Park Visitor Center. We're trying to go to Ravencliff Falls. I thought this is where I'm coming. We're wrong. We're going another mile that way. That would be north from the south. Another mile up the road, parking lot, then to the falls. Hey, it's Bear from the future. Look here, I just wanted to let you know that this was in October of 2023 that I took this hike, shortly after Mike's Wild World and I departed ways from Table Rock State Park. All right, y'all, look here, we found the parking lot. We got to go across the street that way, and we're going to hit trail. 2.2 miles, Ravencliff Falls, never seen them. Let's go find them. And it's waterfalls, they're cool. If I see something cool along the trail, we'll stop and look at that too. But we got 2.2 miles, trail closes at 5, it's like 2. I had lunch, check this out. Had lunch back at the visitor center before I came up here. Let's beat feet. Got kicks on, out of my sandals. Ten minutes on the trail. And I'm reminded already of my mild asthma condition. It's okay. We're gonna make it. No worries. I need to sit and log. Hey, look here. Y'all see that sign coming in? Check it out. It's at 23.9 back to Table Rock. I'm coming back to do that. It's I think 14 miles to get from the parking lot over to Sassafras. And you turn and cut back into Table Rock on the foothills. We're going to do that trail. We're going to do that hike. Maybe 2 nights. Come on, take it easy. I'm trying to find out what the water sources are between here and Sassafras. If you know what the water sources are for me so I can camp on the spur trail, let me know. Hiking along this ridge, I turned to look down. Well, the camera's just not doing it justice. Hip hurt near and made me dizzy. The trail's not heavily blazed. We got to turn here, we got to turn here, but so far where needed, they got it marked. So we carry on. What's this? I'm not on the foothills trail yet. Stairs, 2 sets of stairs. Oh my. Three sets of stairs. They just keep going and going. The lady at the visitor center told me red good, blue, yellow bad. Stay on the red trail if you want to make it to the Ravencliff Falls. You got more sitting rocks. All right, y'all, trail check-in. Look here, for all the hills, there's hills. My old ticker's just a thumping in there. You still got some relatively flat sections. Give you a chance to kind of settle her down a little bit. And this trail also shares the pathway with the Palmetto Trail, if you're doing that. All right, let's get down trail. We got a waterfall to find still. We got ourselves sitting rock number 3. Well, sitting tree, sitting rock, sitting rock. All right, down trail. Look here, not super obvious, okay? As you're walking along, you might be tempted to think this is our overlook. That sign down there. Come back over here and we take a look at the map. That's purple. So we're gonna keep going a little further. Right up this way. If you decide to make the turn, you can pause and give that a read. You got a 4 to 6 hour hike from that point. It's very strenuous. All right, I just saw a structure, so I'm gonna flip the camera on, walk in with you, so you can see it as I see it. Watch the roots. A lot of roots on this trail, roots and rocks. Watch where you're walking. Looks like we got an upper and lower viewing platform. Let's do upper first. Still don't see anything, but I hear it. Oops. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Man, it's kind of hard to see. A little bit hazy out there today. Am I getting in on it? I'm shooting into the sun also. Maybe we'll have to come back out and shoot this at the start of the day. Let's go down to the lower platform and take a look. Man, the camera in this light condition is just not going to do this justice. See if I can tell it to focus in between the trees. There we go. You see those cascades? I got to come back out here early morning one day. This has got to be a daybreak hike for me. I'm coming back. Wish you could see the colors on the trees out there. I know the sun's washing it out. Just can't make it focus in. Oh man. What a beautiful fall day here in South Carolina. All right, y'all, I hope you had a good time with me on the old Raven Cliff Falls trail here. 2.2 out and back. I've got one more hill to hit the parking lot, so I'm gonna sign off here and we'll see you on the trail.